Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is this tasty, delicious and mouth-watering jollof spaghetti. Yes, this is absolutely amazing. You'll be glad if you try it. But first, please can you take out a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video, please. I'm begging you because we need to grow this channel. Thank you very much. So let's get started. Here is my mackerel fish, which I've cleaned and washed. I'll season this with some diced onions, chicken seasoning, curry and thyme. Then I'll go in with some water and allow this to cook till it's done. Then later on, I'll debone this off camera. So guys, how are you doing and how is everything going on with you? I hope you're doing well. Okay, all right, let's cook this meal together, and I sure know you would enjoy it. Yeah. Next, I have my spaghetti in my pot. I'll add some hot water, some salt and oil so as to avoid it from sticking to each other. Then I'll allow this to cook till it's half done. I'll drain the water off and run in cold water, but I'll do this off camera so as to stop it from cooking. We want this spaghetti half cooked, okay? We don't want it to be fully cooked, so I'll just do that. And this particular spaghetti doesn't take time to cook, so you have to know the kind of spaghetti you're using to cook. So this one is the thin spaghetti I'm using. Yeah. So in my wok, I'll go ahead to add some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. That's absolutely all right. Okay, I'll heat that up and I'll go in to add my sliced onions. I'll fry this for like 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending. Then I'll go in to add my green capsicum just for the flavor. I'm just adding that for the flavor. Yeah, once I put my green capsicum at this time, it infuses its flavor into the oil and it gives this pasta a particular taste which you would want to keep on eating more. All right, yeah, just added it for the flavor. So but this is totally optional. All right, yeah, so I'll go in to add my diced tomatoes, give this a stir. I'll just mix everything together. Then after which I'll then go in to add some thyme, pepper, curry powder and seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, that's okay. Then I'll allow this to fry, and once the oil floats, you know that it's ready to add other ingredients. Okay guys, will you give this recipe a try? Will you try this my spaghetti recipe? If you will try it, please let me know, and once you try, let me know in the comment section or you share it with me on my Instagram page. Okay, thank you very much. I would like to know your thoughts towards this recipe, and I'll definitely answer your questions. Or if you have anything for me, yeah, if you want me to try any recipe, yeah, go ahead, ask me or let me know what you would like me to try, and I'll share that with you. And once this the oil is floating just like so, I'll go in to add my canned mackerel in tomato sauce. Yeah, so I'll combine that thoroughly, and please feel free to use whatever ingredients you want to use while creating yours. Okay, then I'll add my carrots, the boned mackerel which we cooked earlier, the fish stock which we got from the mackerel, yeah, and I'll combine that properly and bring to a boil for like 1 minute, for everything to just come together. Then after which I'll go in to add my sliced capsicum, yellow and red capsicum, then add in my prawns and also mix together. Guys, at this time my kitchen is just like the aroma that is coming out from this sauce. Oh my god, it's just so divine. Then I'll go in to add my pre-cooked spaghetti, and I'll combine the spaghetti with the sauce thoroughly. Guys, see here, this spaghetti. This one is a fishy spaghetti. Yeah, this is a fishy kind of spaghetti. A fishy and a prawny kind of spaghetti, you know. Yeah, this is best served like your Saturday meal or Sunday lunch. You know, Saturday lunch or Sunday lunch. It's not every time rice and stew for Sunday or jollof rice or rice meal. You can also try this for your Sunday lunch, and guys, you would absolutely enjoy this recipe, believe you me. Yeah. So I added some spinach to this recipe also, and immediately I added it, I turned off the heat because the residual heat will cook the spinach. Okay, I just want to have it as it is, so the heat will do justice to the spinach. And our spaghetti is ready to be served. Oh yeah, come with your plate because I made enough for everyone. Okay. Just come with your plate too. Hey, all right. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Please stay safe. Bye.